Space isn't silent. It hums, roars, and screams in electromagnetic waves. Earth itself produces strange noises. Scientists call them whistlers and chorus waves. Jupiter's magnetosphere? It crackles and booms like a cosmic thunderstorm. The moon is silent, but Apollo astronauts reported hearing mysterious space music on the far side. These waves are converted into sounds we can hear. Some are beautiful, others are terrifying. Which space sound fascinates you the most? Subscribe for more insane space facts.